friends, welcome back to another video. This is Z from Sain Official. So before starting the video, I would like to request you to like, subscribe and share our channel. So today's video is a bit unique as I am going to do some test. So what I'm going to do is to connect my phone with the Windows. So let's see how it is going to happen. So all we have to do is to click Windows button and go to the settings option. So here, if you are updated to Windows 10 2004 version, you will see the phone option here. So let's click it, and after that there will be option that add a phone. So okay, click add a phone and it will open the Microsoft phone app and it will ask you that what is your phone type. Okay, and after that I have to click continue, yes, scan QR code, and let's see how I'm gonna do it. So it is opening another tab. So I have to download a phone companion app on my phone, and after that I have to scan the QR code from there. So let's wait a bit. So when you open the app on your phone, it will show you that use Hotmail or scan QR code. Okay, so what I have to do is to scan a QR code from the app. So after the app is installed, you have to scan QR code or use your email. So I am scanning a QR code and you see it is already scanned on my PC, and I click continue, allow, and give everything access to the Windows, done from my phone, and then I have to click done, and you can see it is checking now. It will take a bit time for synchronization. You see it's 60%, and let's see it is going to move further or not. It will take a bit time because, and yes, you see synchronization is done. So here I can see my phone is Mi Note 10 Lite, and here I can access calls, photos, messages and notifications. So get started and skip everything. So if I want to check notifications, he's saying open settings on your phone and find Windows companion app and allow it for access. Okay, if I click photos, let me see does it shows photos or not, and maybe there are something that I can access. So I have opened managed app on my phones and I have clicked phone companion, and here I have given all permissions to my phone. So let's see it is showing something or not. Messages, notifications, and if I want to get call, just click get started. The feature does not work on your PC. Your PC needs Bluetooth for calling feature and work, so I'm very sorry. I don't have Bluetooth on my PC, so very difficult to do this. So if I click photos, it will take some time to get a media. So I think it was a helpful video and anybody can use it if he wants to put his phone away from his pocket. So that was all from today's video. So please like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you.